Jim Frederick with TrueScapes Lighting and Belgard Hardscapes here today to review the proper installation techniques of our app-controlled low-voltage transformer. The low-voltage transformer is an integral part of the low-voltage lighting system, allowing the hardscape contractor to install our products on-site. Installation of the transformer is fairly simple. Included in the box is a quick start guide going in depth on the installation process as well as the download of the app that controls the transformer. We've also included a set of hardware that would allow for installation onto a wood post or a masonry application. The transformer itself is in the box. It's one unit. There's no additional parts or pieces required with this unit. No photo eye or no timer beyond what's included in the box. The TrueScapes app-controlled transformer is available in two sizes: 150 watt or 300 watt output. Output is determined by the wattage of lights on the job. When calculating your total wattage, when you reach the 80% point, you upgrade to the next size transformer. When mounting the app-controlled transformer, be sure to mount at least 12 inches above grade to provide air circulation and prevent moisture from entering the transformer. Also, the transformer must be plugged into a GFI outlet on the exterior of the house. To review proper wiring techniques, be sure to have good tools. Cut back approximately 3/8 of an inch on your wire. Twist the wire. And insert through the included slot. Be sure to twist your wires. Loosen up your common tap. Loosen up your voltage tap. Be aware there's no polarity in low voltage wiring. One wire will go into the common. One wire into the 14-volt tap. Upon completion of the wiring, plug in the transformer. The red fault light will come on as well as the green AC present light. As noted in the sticker, the red fault light designates the transformer being on but app not yet connected. The TrueScapes app can be downloaded on the Android App Store or the Apple Store at no charge. Once downloaded and connected to the transformer, the address will show up. It takes a second for it to connect. Once connected, it will retrieve the dashboard information. If this is a first-time install, it will download the GPS coordinates of the located transformer. Page 1 is a lights on or off manual override switch. Page 2 is a power meter that shows how many watts are being drawn on the system. The program page allows you to use the pre-programmed dusk to dawn or dusk to midnight settings or add a new program custom to your client. Setting allows you to name the transformer and shows the site and daylight savings time, on or off. Installer information allows you to add your information for future use by the homeowner or contractor. And that's the Bluetooth transformer.